You can see this full version of this video by clicking the link to the blog post. This is typical deep scratch damage on a bumper that will require both touch-up paint and some wet sanding and polish to get a great overall result. I understand this is a touch-up, however, is a really cost-effective solution versus taking it to a body shop for refinishing. For just $99, you can do it yourself and avoid the body shop and a big price tag. The Ultimate Car Scratch Remover system is backed with a 100% money-back guarantee. Since 2009, we have been helping customers just like you and putting smiles on their faces. Click the link to watch the full version on the blog post.
How you doing? This is Richard coming to you from sunny Maryland. Just wanted to say thank you very much for the work that you guys have done with the car scratch remover. What we experienced was a very nasty scratch put onto our hood from our son Ricky, who was clearing off snow during the wintertime, and instead of using a brush, he used the windshield wipe scraper. Say hi, Ricky.
Hi.
Anyway, I was very skeptical when I saw the car scratch remover kit online, but with your great support, answering emails, and following up once I got the kit, I was able to remove the scratches, no problem. I am now a true believer, and my wife's a true believer. But Carl, I gotta tell you, there's one problem. I showed everybody how great the car scratch remover kit was. Now they want me to use my kit to get the scratches off their car. They gotta go get their own. Thanks a lot, Carl. Talk to you soon.
I want to let you in on one of the best kept secrets in the consumer car scratch remover industry. The Ultimate Car Scratch Remover is the only scratch remover kit that has a 4.5 plus customer satisfaction rating on Amazon. Not 3M, not Quicks, not the Scratch Wizard can claim this level of customer satisfaction. And you can get the Ultimate Car Scratch Remover in 2 versions direct on the website and get valuable gifts for free when you make your purchase direct on the website rather than Amazon. None of the competitors have a 1-year money-back guarantee like the Ultimate Car Scratch Remover system does. The Ultimate Car Scratch Remover comes in 2 versions. The original, which is denoted by the blue box, it will handle just about any surface clear coat scratch that you will come up against, as long as it doesn't need touch-up paint. However, if you have a deep scrape, chip, or scratch that requires touch-up paint, then the Ultimate Car Scratch Remover bundled with a custom touch-up paint is exactly what you need, and this is denoted by the blue box and the red box together. It is the most complete and effective car scratch remover solution on the internet. There is absolutely nothing else you could possibly need to buy. The 2 kits are designed to work together to deliver true professional looking results. What I want you to do now, click the link, come on over and select the kit that's right for you.